checking on a motor on a dinghy. It was a 4-man job.
There are a few things that taste very good on the Navicula when we're down here. And one is peanut butter. Peanut butter tastes really good on the Navicula, on crackers. I don't know, it's just something, you know, you go for a walk and you come back and it just sticks to you. I like it. Another thing that tastes really well on the Navicula is rum and coke. Here's the problem though. I've said this before, guys. I'm not kidding you. They taste good, and what happens, it can catch up with you. I've said this before. You start off with 1 rum and coke a day. I know you guys out there that you think 1 rum and coke a day is nothing. You're right. It's you know what? I have 1 rum and coke a day. It turns into 2. Now it hasn't turned into 2 for me. I really can't finish 2 right now. But by the end of the season, I'll be doing 2 and maybe part of a 3rd. Guys, you know, that's a sign, isn't it? Sandy, what are you making yourself to drink?
Coconut rum and club soda and a bit of lemon juice.
Did you hear that? The Fun Police is having a what?
Coconut rum, Perrier, and lemon juice. Okay,
so that's her drink of the day today. And with ice, of course. The Navicula has ice. We aren't going anywhere without ice. This here is the view from my office today. Wow, we are at Black Point at the other end here. We went for a nice walk. We run across this beach here. Are you gonna look for junk on the beach, dear?
Not here.
Sandy's usually looking for shells and stuff like that here. Oh, there she goes. It started.
This is like the main beach.
Yeah.
It's way overpicked.
It's way overpicked. You see anybody on this beach?
No, but
well then how does that, okay. Did you just make that up?
Yeah.
I think you just made that up. There's nobody on this beach. Over the years, well, there's a high and low tide every day. That's what brings stuff in every day. You guys agree with me? You guys on Team John? What's that on the other side of the street there? Could it be the cemetery? What year?
1923 and died in 2002.
Wow. Not very many headstones here. That means people don't die here. 2007. This one's probably old. Yeah, I don't even want to go there. I'm afraid somebody's going to jump out. I don't know about you guys, but I'm going to be cremated. Sandy's going to be cremated too. I'm going to make sure of that. I don't know how you guys want to handle what happens to you guys, but whatever it is, it's all cool. Now, whatever the case is for me, I don't want people to spend a lot of money. I don't want, you know what, the simple, quickest, cheapest way for me.
So it looks like possibly there was a female and a male, so maybe 2 kids after they died or buried with the
there's
mother.
more. Yeah, jeez.
Maybe.
But
lived past 100 years old, 105 years old.
Okay. That's good life here on the island.
Yeah,
so yeah, you know what? For me, when I die, just keep the cost right down. Don't have a party. Don't do nothing. Just, decompose. Like, just get rid of me. Like, yeah. Because it's true. Nobody ever comes to visit you at the grave, and nobody, after you're dead, after a few hours, nobody even remembers. Oh well, life goes on. You're dead. You forget me right away. What about you, hon? Do you want to be a picture on somebody's wall?
No. Put your body over in the ocean and let the fish eat you.
Yeah, perfect. That's fine. Once I'm dead, who cares? What's that?
That I toss you overboard, and then a day later I call in a mayday that I just woke up and my husband is gone missing off the boat. And I plead innocent and stupid, and there you go.
So that would work. You almost did that today.
No?
Yeah, when you hit me.
No, I put the cup your coffee cup into your chest.
That's right.
You
And
were
almost knocked me off the boat.
You were startled.
That's why you tried to kill me today.
Yeah, okay.
Yes, and I was startled, and that's how people fall. Why would you do that?
I didn't have success though. God, anybody have an idea for me that won't send me to jail?
The other day when our guests were on board, we had eggs Benedict. Yeah, on the Navicula, we had eggs Benedict. Yeah, we carry bacon. Absolutely. We have bacon on board the Navicula here, guys. Yum, yum. So we had, what did we put them on? English muffins or?
My homemade English muffins.
Sandy made homemade English muffins, like bread, right? Now, is that a different recipe than bread?
A little bit, yeah.
So you do, it's actually an English muffin recipe?
Yes.
Wow, okay, so there you go. She made an English muffin recipe, and we had that with bacon, egg, and hollandaise sauce. Now the hollandaise sauce is packaged hollandaise sauce, correct dear?
Yes.
I love eggs Benedict. I don't care if it's for dinner. I love eggs Benedict. Sandy, how much did laundry cost today?
$28.
What? How does one spend 28 bucks on laundry machines? You have to start doing it in a bucket. 28 American dollars at the cheapest laundry mat in the Exumas. How does one do that? Wow. I find that for 28 bucks, I could buy a whole new wardrobe. You don't even need to do, and you know, was any of it my laundry?
Oh, yes.
What? What? I wear the same thing every day.
No, you don't.
28 bucks US, guys. You know how much Canadian that is? That's like $280,000 Canadian.
Okay, I think the rum is taking hold of John now.
So now that I'm out of crackers for the peanut butter, what does John Gomes do? He dips the knife in the peanut butter.
No, lick
you
it clean properly.
Now she wants me to lick it clean. But why do you do that?
Because it uses more water to get the peanut butter off the knife.
We have a water maker.
Yeah, I know, but you still complain about making water.
No, I just complained to you. So yesterday we went to Isles General Store and we picked up our propane, and we noticed that the mail boat came, which is the boat that brings groceries and supplies to the island. That's a different island that we're at today, but regardless, they had romaine lettuce there. And so we bought some lettuce, and Sandy says, "Oh, I'm going to make a Caesar salad tonight." And we got back to the boat, and she says, "How about we just have a bag of microwave popcorn?" Because we had a late lunch, and so we just had a Costco bag of popcorn, and we went to bed and had lots of sex, right, dear?
Oh yeah, tons. Tons.
That's what I had lots of sex.
It was exhilarating.
I don't know about her, but you're right. The rum may be catching up, eh? One drink, see that?
Yeah.
Imagine 2 drinks.
This is rum talk for him. Rum talk for John.
Hey, listen, I just want to thank you for following along. Hey, we picked up a lot of subscribers. A lot of subscribers to me is about 10. Okay, maybe more than 10. I'm not sure. But we picked up at least 10 subscribers. That's a big deal for the Navicula Travels YouTube channel. And I get comments on every video, 1 or 2 or 3 comments, which is great. Usually the same people. Thank you very much, guys. I love those comments. It makes it worthwhile for me to do these videos. If you guys put a comment in, it makes me feel like I'm doing it for a reason. We don't want to be YouTube. We're too old and fat to be YouTube famous. So, but thank you very much for following along. That's all I got to say, and I hope it puts a smile on your face. That's all. And like I said, this stuff is just Sandy and I, the real deal. We argue all the time. But anyways, thanks again, guys. See you next time.